So, you got yourself a Rubiks clock, or the magnetic speed clock. To be honest, they're both the same. So what we're going to do here is show you how to scramble the clock. It's just a scramble. I've got a twisty timer. It's on the screen now, and the first one is upper right 3. So first of all, we put all these pins, make sure they're all down there, and upper right. So this is the upper right pin, push that up. And then 3 minus will be this one, because it's the upper right, it'll be this one going anti-clockwise 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we put the pin back down. Next one is DR, which is down right. So it's now this one. We're going to push this one up, and it's a 6 plus. So this is going to be now a clockwise move. I'm going to move this one here, the down right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Push that pin back down. Next one is down left. Okay, so that's this one down on the left, and we're going to move that as a +4. So again, this down left, we're going to turn that 4 clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the pin back down. Okay, the next one is upper left. Okay, and upper left is over here, but put the pin up, and what we notice is it's 0 plus, and I think that comes because of like a random computerized scramble, so we don't really have to do anything there. The next one after that is U2 minus. Now U, because it's just a U, it's both of the upper ones, so push both the upper ones up, both the upper pins up. Okay, we're going to do it -2, and we can turn either this one or this one. Okay, and it's -2, so anti-clockwise 1, 2. Put the pins back down. Next one is right 3 plus. So right again, this is both the right hand pins, both coming up, and it's a +3. So it's using one of these two, we're going to turn it 3 clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Put them pins back down. Next one is down 3 plus. So both the down pins are going to come up. Okay, and it's a clockwise 3 because it's 3 plus. So it's 1, 2, 3. Put them pins back down. Next one is left 4 minus, so both the left pins are going to come up now, and using one of the left wheels, we're going to do minus anti-clockwise 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them pins back down. Next one's all. So all of them, literally, all of them come up, and we're going to do 3 clockwise, and we can use any of the wheels for that. So 1, 2, 3. Put all the pins back down again. Now we get the Y2, the one that's completely different, so we literally just turn the clock all the way around. Put the pins back down again, and we've got upper 1 plus. So upper is both the top ones, and use either of these upper wheels to go 1 clockwise. Put the pins back down. Now we've got R4 plus. So R is both of the right pins going up. Okay, we're going to do a 4 clockwise from one of the right wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down go the pins. Now we've got down 4 minus, so both the down pins are going to come up, and we're going to use the bottom wheels to go anti-clockwise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, down go the pins, and now we've got left 3 minus. So this is the left pins, both left pins, and we're going to do anti-clockwise with one of these two wheels. Anti-clockwise 3. 1, 2, 3. Down go the pins, and now all. So all the pins are going to come back up again. We'll do a -5, and we can use any wheel for that. So anti-clockwise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push all the pins back down, and now you're always left with a letter or a couple of letters at the end. And we've got down right, which is this one, down right. So we push that down right pin up, and down left pin up. And that is now the solve that you should get. And every time you get a scramble, you get a picture of what the solve should look like, so you'll know if you are correct or not. Solving the clock. First of all, we're going to use a method. We're going to pull our pins down to start with. It doesn't matter which side you start on, but we're going to do a cross on one side. We'll then do a cross on the other side, and then we'll solve the corners. Okay, so with the pins down, what we're going to do is try and match this up with one of the others. So one of the best things to do is say, put these two top pins up, and we're going to turn one of the the top wheels. Okay, so this is going to match this now. So we match this with this bottom arrow. Okay, now we can put the left pins up. So we're going to put the left pins up. I'm going to move the left to make these two match this one here. Okay, so we're going to turn it so we're actually matching this to this instead of matching this to the centre. Okay, so we put them down. So we've now got 3 of these. Now we can do the right ones. Put the right ones up, right pins up, and turning one of the right wheels. We're going to make it match this one over here. Yeah, so 3, and it's just the top one now. So we're going to put it all down and raise the 2 bottom pins. Okay, moving the bottom and make it match this one here. Now we put all the pins up and bring them up to 12 o'clock. So there you go. So there you got your cross. Now we turn it around. We can do the same thing again. Okay, so we can raise our top pins and we'll make this one match the bottom by moving one of the top wheels. Okay, so these two are now matching. We could now want to do the opposite. So we do the bottom now, moving one of the bottom wheels. We're going to make it match this one up here. And in fact, we've caught this one in as well. So that's okay. So now this is the only one we need to match up. So we put those 2 pins down and raise the two right-hand pins. We're going to move one of these right wheels. And now we've got our cross. Yeah. Now we don't need to move these up to 12 o'clock if we don't want to. But good practice. Unless you're racing, that's okay. So I've moved them up to 12. But now what we need to do is bring all of these corner pieces in. And this will match up on the other side as well. So now what the best thing to do is literally, we want to match up with, say, the top right. So we'll just put the top right pin down, leave all the other pins up. And now we move. It's really important now to only move the wheels with a pin that's raised. Because if you move the wheels with a pin that's down, it's going to mess up on the other opposite side. So we'll move one of these and we're going to match the cross with this wheel here. Okay, so match that with that. Bring this pin back up again, and now we'll put this pin down. We'll move one of the others. Move this cross to match this wheel here. Okay, bring that pin back up. Now we'll put this pin down. We're going to match all these with this one down here. There we go. And there's only one remaining, which is this one here, and it's matched in already. So there we go. So now all the pins are up. We're going to take them all to 12 o'clock. And if we've done it correctly, we should be fine on the other side. And we are. And that is how to solve QI, magnetic clock, or Rubiks clock. I've been Cuba Stew. You've been fantastic. Till next time, Cubers.